Welcome kids to the English class. In the last video I have discussed the summary and we have read that when the hot splashes of lava came out from the mountain top is called volcanic mountain. The temperature inside the earth remains hot that cause rocks to melt. Now let's start further. When you keep a saucepan full of water on the kitchen stove, it slowly heats up. Kids, write down the meaning of saucepan. Saucepan. Saucepan means a round cooking pot. Again, I repeat, a round cooking pot. In a shot, while you can see the vapors rising out of it. If you try to cover the saucepan with a plate, you will see that the vapors trying to push their way so hard that the plate over the saucepan almost begins to dance. This is exactly what happens with the molten lava at the center of the earth. Kids, write down the meaning of molten. Molten. Molten means melted. Melted. There are many mountains which have active molten lava beneath them. This lava rises over a long period of time, trying to release itself just as the steam from the hot water in the saucepan. Kids, write down the meaning of release. Release. Release means to come out. Again, I repeat, to come out. When it reaches the mountain top, it bursts out just like the flower pot that you burn on Diwali. Now I will explain you the following lines. In the above lines, we have read that when a plate is kept over a saucepan full of boiling water, it began to dance. Similarly, the hot molten lava burst out after a long period of time. As the volcanoes erupt, a thick, sticky, liquid lava flows out in hot streams which cools very slowly. Kids, write down the meaning of streams. Streams. Streams means a small river. Again, I repeat, a small river. It also brings with it poisonous and foul smelling gases. Write down the meaning of foul. Foul. Foul means bad. Sometimes the force of the eruption is so high that pieces of rocks are thrown high into the air. Write down the meaning of force. Force. Force means power. Power. There are many volcanoes which have erupted just once over many thousands of years, while there are some that erupt every few weeks. You will also be surprised to know that the number of volcanoes that erupt under the sea are more than that which erupt on land. Write down the meaning of surprised. Surprised. Surprised means amazed. Amazed. This is nature's way of not disturbing human life on earth. But do we think the same way for nature? Why do we disturb nature all the time? Write down the meaning of disturb. Disturb. Disturb means trouble someone. Again, I repeat, trouble someone. Now I will explain you the following lines. In the above lines, we have read that as the volcanoes erupted, hot liquid lava with poisonous gases came out. Some volcanoes erupt only once in 1,000 years. You will also be surprised to know that the number of volcanoes that erupt under the sea are more than that which erupt on land. So, in this way, nature did not disturb human life on the earth. So, we all should also think the same way. We all should also pledge not to disturb nature. Now, I will discuss some new words with you. Number 1. Saucepan. Saucepan. Saucepan means a round cooking pot. Next word is molten. M-O-L-T-E-N. Molten means melted. Number 3. Release. R-E-L-E-A-S-E. Release means to come out. Next word is foul. F-O-U-L. Foul means bad. Next word is force. F-O-R-C-E. Force means power. Next word is stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream means a small river. Next word is surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised means amazed. Next word is disturb. D-I-S-T-U-R-B. Disturb means trouble someone or upset. Now I will discuss some cross questions. Question number 1 is, what will you observe when you heat some water in a saucepan? Answer is, we will observe the vapors rising out of it. Next question is, what happens with the molten lava at the center of the earth? Answer is, the molten lava rises up trying to release itself. Number 3. What happens to the lava when it reaches the mountain top? Answer is, the lava bursts out just like the flower pot when it reaches the mountain top. Next question is, what comes out in a volcanic eruption? Answer is, hot lava, smoke, and foul-smelling gases comes out in a volcanic eruption. Next question is, why do we disturb nature all the time? Answer is, we disturb nature to fulfill our needs. Next question is, what happens when the force of volcanic eruption is high? Answer is, the pieces of rocks are thrown high into the air when the force of volcanic eruption is high. Next question is, do all volcanoes burst all the time? Answer is, no, all the volcanoes do not burst all the time. Now kids, I hope you all are clear with this lesson how volcanoes came to be. So, read this lesson again for better understanding and learn the meanings of difficult words. Thank you.